Alright guys, just a quick reminder, you have 2 weeks left to enter the Turbo Kit giveaway for becoming a throtl VIP member. So if you haven't heard about that or you're not sure what that is, click the link in the description. Super easy to sign up. Every VIP member comes with 2 automatic entries. Alright, now that that is done, here's the current state of the M3. Car's been outside for a couple of days. It's got tons of crap. Ah, jeez. First, I need to get this car into the shop. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, sold the HREs. Back to the OZs now. Alright, getting back into the shop and the swing of things this morning. The first thing I need to do today is replace this jank intercooler charge pipe here with this new straight piece. So the mass airflow sensor needs a nice straight piece in order to work properly, so I'm gonna go ahead, fab this up. I'm actually gonna cut this piece down here, remove some of the angle so that this points straight up. Don't mind this glove here. And reinstall the mass airflow sensor into this straight piece right here. Once again, we are in front of the welder. I got my charge pipe here. I actually just tacked it all together, so this is looking pretty good. I'm excited about this. I'm gonna see what I can do. I need to make sure this seals up rather nicely. This is the BOV flange, and then there will be a coupler here that goes right into the throttle body. That's where I'm gonna install the mass airflow sensor. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna try to weld this as nice as I can. Here is the finished product of my little modified charge pipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss this in. I'll show you what it looks like, and then we can hook up the top portion. What I'm not gonna do right now is actually install the mass airflow sensor. I wanna make sure that everything fits properly. And also the current tune that I have on the car does not require this aftermarket one until tomorrow when we do the new reflash. All right, so this is the current setup. Obviously this is not finalized. I still have to tweak a couple things, and I still have to install the new mass airflow sensor, but for right now, it's gonna work with the current tune. I don't need that. So as you can see down here, this is the part that I welded. Actually, it's kind of out of the way. Got a coupler here. This is temporary, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil in. We're gonna start it.
Yeah, oh, all that honeycomb, golden honeycomb.
All over the floor.
Baby. No.
It's a good sign. But of truth, it's time to start the car. Here we go. You ready? Are you ready?
This thing on?
All right. Tell me if we have explosions.
That does not sound right at all.
No, not at all. Less power than before.
How?
Sounds better.
It almost sounds close.
Still something not
Something is still not right.
Still doesn't sound right. Hey, when you
It doesn't sound.
Yeah. So looks like we're doing a compression test tomorrow. Current status is the car is still not starting. We have the new ECU with the bass tune. We have spark. We have fuel. I can see the fuel on the spark plugs. I can see the spark plugs firing when they're pulled out, but the car is not starting. So tomorrow I need to check the fuel pressure. There's a check engine light. Maybe I'll check that and see what it is. And I gotta get on the phone with Jordan. So I'll check in with you guys in the morning. All right, so guys, this is the next morning and I have been on and off again on the phone with Quinn, Jordan from RK Tunes, and unfortunately I have some bad news. I did a compression test and I'm only getting like 15 to 20 PSI in all cylinders. So I don't see any major leaks. I don't see anything wrong from the outside. So let me show you what I've been working on for the past hour off camera. So I went ahead and disconnected the downpipe, removed the valve cover because the only thing that I can think of right now is that the timing is not correct. So I'm looking into that right now, but unfortunately this video is not going to be a starting video. Potentially it is the opposite and potentially we bent all of our valves or something like that. I'm getting very frustrated. So spent all this time putting everything together, getting it all buttoned up, and now I'm disconnecting everything. Total mess on the floor. So needless to say, I am super disappointed. I'm really frustrated, but I got some good people that are gonna help me and I'm hoping we can square this thing away. I'm hoping I don't have to pull the cylinder head or even replace the block. I don't even know at this point. So no, this is not clickbait. This motor could be completely blown up. What a waste of time and money. If you guys want to see the outcome of this, please hit that subscribe button, like this video. See you guys in the next one. All right, so I was just watching back those few clips from earlier today, and you know, I definitely was discouraged. So I wanted to take a few minutes and talk to you guys and let you know that I'm not discouraged. Yes, that was, you know, bad news and I'm not excited that the motor is screwed up or whatever, but I'm super excited because I'm just so thankful that there's so many people that have been offering their help to me, you know, on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and etc. You know, Jordan and Quinn, you guys have been helping me so much so far, and I know we're gonna get it squared away. And yes, it sucks right now, but I promise you guys, I promise you that we're gonna get this thing on the road. It is gonna be 400 horsepower in no time. So please stay tuned. Please understand that the car building process is like a roller coaster. And you know what? Sometimes things happen. And obviously it's unfortunate and I'm not happy about it, but life moves on. The project will move on. I guarantee you that we're gonna get this thing running. All right, so I wanna ask a favor of you guys. If you are not subscribed to the throtl YouTube channel, go ahead down below, click the link to subscribe. It only takes a second, it's 100% free, and that way we'll know we can update you when we have new videos coming out, new projects, new giveaways, that types of thing. So, if you made it this far, thank you guys so much. We appreciate all of the support. I love seeing the likes, the comments, and everything down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. This is for real this time.